Hey everyone, if you're dealing with FPS drops while playing games and you're using the NVIDIA app, this guide will help you fix the issue and improve your gaming performance. First, go to your desktop, right-click on an empty area, and select Show More Options. Then click on NVIDIA Control Panel. If you don't see it in the menu, open the Start menu, search for NVIDIA Control Panel, and open it manually. Once NVIDIA Control Panel is open, click on Manage 3D Settings from the left sidebar. Make sure you're on the Global Settings tab. Scroll down and find the Shader Cache Size option. Open the drop-down menu and change it to Disabled. After that, click Apply in the bottom right corner to save the changes. Now restart your computer to apply the settings. After your PC boots back up, open the Start menu and search for the NVIDIA app, launch the app and go to the Driver section from the left side menu. Here, choose the correct driver type based on your usage. Select the Game Ready driver if you mainly use your PC for gaming. Choose the Studio driver if you use your computer for creative applications or productivity tasks. After selecting the right driver, click Download and install the latest available version. Once the driver installation is complete, open the Start menu again and search for Disk Cleanup. Launch the tool, then click on Clean Up System Files. Scroll down and find DirectX Shader Cache. Check the box next to it, click OK, and then select Delete Files to clear the cache. Next, open NVIDIA Control Panel again and return to Manage 3D Settings. Find the Shader Cache Size option once more. Open the drop-down menu and change it back to Driver Default. Click Apply to save the changes. Finally, restart your computer one more time. After restarting, your FPS drops should be fixed, and your games should run more smoothly with improved stability. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to leave a like, share the video, and subscribe for more helpful PC gaming.